can see black under my clothes. Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to unbox this skate. Guys, it's my first time doing these things, then it's a little difficult, but I'm sure you love it. Do you want to know what color is these things? Oh no, it's a little difficult to unboxing it. Ooh! I break the box. No. Wait a second. Why it's very hard to open this? Seriously, this thing will be broken by itself. Finally, let's open it. Do you wanna see? Ta-da! Look. So we'll show you this first. Okay, I'm going to take first the paper so we will know what was on. It's not red on the head, but anyway, this is from the top, the head, and where else? And this is the what we put to cover our body so we won't fall down. And this is our shoes. I'm going to use it right now. Here is we have two, of course only two, not three. And we have two metal extra. So time to remove back our bags. Okay, so look now. Guys, I don't know what is this metal one, but we'll keep it in case. Okay, let's read all the instructions so we will understand. In first of line, they write attention. This manual must be read carefully and understood before using the inline skate. Keep the manual for further reference. It is suggested to use safety helmet. As I told you, this one, the helmet, and wrist, and the knee protector. So when we go on the skate, then we must wear always the thing. Design inline skate. Each inline skate consists of two elements, the boot and the low part. The boot can be made of plastic entirely or have its front part made of soft material. So yeah, of course, if you touch it, guys, then it's plastic, huh? But anyway, and it's hard too. The lower part called chassis can be made of plastic or aluminum. The wheels are mounted the bearing, which are fixed to the chassis with bolt and self-locking nut. So we can see now, I understand. Also, this one we use, wait, I don't know what for this thing, extra. We'll see later. So I'll show you what is the name of each thing. The boot is called the pink one in front here. It's called boot. Cuff, the under here. I think you can see it. You can see, guys. Here it's called cuff. Bottom, the round one. Here you can see the metal. Here is the bottom. Brake. So when we go outside, wheel and bearing. So the outside one, guys, it's made of plastic, but anyway it's little soft. Hole, which is the inside, the shoes which is inside. Buckle, buckle, which is this one. How we close it? Close, open, close, open. This one. And the last one, inner, inner, which is the when we have shoes, and here is the inner. What else? Inline skating. Using inline skating, judo consists of moving at considerable speed. Technique of use, which provides safety for skater and the person in their vicinity. Because of the recreational purpose of inline skate, it is suggested to use standard skating technique without any evolution or jump. It is highly recommended to use safety pad and helmet. As I told you guys, we must be careful when to avoid of banging and falling down. Then we must wear the both one, the helmet and the. It's highly recommended to use safety pad and helmet. The skater must always be cautious during skating and adjust the speed to the level at their skill. Yes, as we know, this is the end. Then we must learn also. Appropriate ground surface is crucial. Must be smooth, clean, and dry. So if it's dirt, then you can't go on it. Okay. Slope terrain and sippy, dusty, stony, wet ground should be avoided. Yeah, because this is wheel, same as when we go on the car. When we go on the car, if it's sleepy, then the car. Before skating, ensure that the balls are tightened. Yes, of course, guys, because this is if it's not tight, maybe you fall down, then it's gone. It will be more problem. Braking technique. If it inline skate are equipped with brake, the behind part of inline skate equipped with brake should be slowly raised. If the inline skate are not equipped with brake or was removed, the braking technique is suggested but only for experienced skater. The body weight should be transferred to one foot, and then the second foot should be shifted after the first and the set. It looks like letter T. How to define model A and B? Release the double skate buckle with the thumb. Press the button placed in the middle of the outer side of the chassis. Push the front part and the boot of the obtain the small size. Push the button until you reach the desired size. Yeah, guys, this one, it's not my same size. They told me if we wanna buy, then we have to buy bigger. My size were 38, and I have this. This is 40. Because they told me that when we put our feet inside, then we can push it in. So I will know the size of my feet, and it's good also. So I can my feet, if my feet grown little, then it's good for my feet. Next one. Push the bottom place of the front outer side of the boot in one of the three blocking holes. Pressing the bottom side the desired side by placing the bottom in one of the three blocking holes. Maintenance. Maintenance is very important to safekeeping and try prolonging the inline skate service life. Each time after using the inline skate, it is suggested to clean them carefully. Small stone and another object found between the wheel must be removed. Some elements like brake, wheels or bearing are subject to wear. The condition must be regularly checked as the element shall be replaced with a new one if necessary. But if we play outside, just little outside of the door, no problem. But if you go outside, guys, it must be careful when we came home and clean up. Brake replacements. Unscrew the axis bolt which is located by the brake. Use inappropriate tool. Remove the brake bracket from the chassis. Remove the bracket from bracket using a screwdriver. Install new brake breaker on the chassis and fix the axis bolt and the nuts. Make sure that the bolt is properly tightened. Because if it's not tightened clearly, then you go will fall. Same as the car, if you didn't tighten it clearly, then it will poof. Wheel. The road and provide better traction. Harder wheel were slower, provide lower traction and poor skating comfort. Wheel replacements. Unscrew the wheel axis bolt with appropriate tool. Remove the wheel from the chassis. Remove the bearing from the wheel. Put the bearing which is sleeve into the wheel. Install the wheel on the chassis and tighten the axis bolt. The wheel fixing bolt should not be tightened too strongly. They're talking about some more, but anyway, that's good. If we talk 100 times, then we will understand it more and more and again and again. Wheel rotation. During the rotation of wheel, make sure that the most worn wheel will interchange its position with the less worn one. Each wheel with bigger wear on the inner side shall be positioned in a way that the more worn side faces the outside. It will be provide uniform wear of wheel. The operation should be realized according to below seen. The wheel do not move freely. To make the new wheel rotation freely, they must be cleaned in. The bearing should be tightly fixed and properly loaded for optimum efficiency. Also make sure the bolts are not tightened too strongly. Bearing replacement. Remove the wheel from the chassis. Remove the bearing from the wheel with appropriate tool. Remove the sleeves and the second bearing. Clean the bearing with dry cloth and replace it with a new one. So guys, if it's old, then we must change it to avoid the bad things. Do not modify the inline skate and it can cause danger to your safety. Use appropriate protective accessory. Avoid skating on wet, greasy, stony surface. Yeah, always pay attention to the people around. Oh guys, so before we go in front of people, you must to practice in the house. So let's practice my thing. I'll show you how I am doing it. Are you ready with me, guys? Fine. for watching. So guys, thanks for watching. Please let me know down below if you have any question to ask, and if you wanna buy the same as it, I have my Amazon link. Then please check, and you can have many color. This I choose only pink, but there is many color there. Then you can come and visit my website and buy anything what you want. So bye 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 bye. Alright. So yeah, let me change the shoes first. Where is the left feet? My left feet. Okay. I think there is something inside. Oh, it's still a paper. Sorry guys, the paper is still inside. Okay. And we do the other one. Let me take out because it still has something inside. Okay. Is there anything else? I must be take off my pin and put the other feet. Where is this one? Like this. Oh yeah. Time to put my feet inside. Now it's perfect. And we do the helmet for the knee. Guys, have you seen? Can you see that it's more perfect? All things inside. Guys, I think I'm not gonna wear it because I'm just staying at home. Or do you want me to wear it if I stay inside? Fine, I'll do it. As it's written on the paper to cover our body, then I will. This goes on my feet. Let's see. Mert! because my feet's very big, so it's not coming well. We'll do the other feet, my other feet. Okay. Let's see. It must be tied well. I don't know if my feet was very big, but this one. Oh. Do the other. I think I made a mistake. I think I made it upside down. Did I make it upside down? Guys, look. In the front it's perfectly. I think I made it upside down. Or it's like this. Okay, and this for hands. Let's put our feet. Let's make it up. Let's make it up. Guys, it's almost done. Don't worry. Oh, my feet became so big because of these things. And the other one. Guys, be careful from the hand because you can't tie it so well because this is they sew it, not same as the down that me they make it sewing. So if you tie it very hard, then it can be broken. So you must be careful. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Time to tie. I have two extra. So if the other one broken, then I can wear it. So it's time to wear my. Guys, what am I going to do with my hair because it was. I must make my hair down. Guys, wait a second. Oh no. Okay, we'll keep my hair like this. I will tie from up so it won't fall down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Guys, I tied it well. So it won't be broken. Let's wear it now. I unstoppable. Wait, let me make it a little bigger because it's not coming. Oh, my face was very big. My head was very big. That's why it's not coming down. Is it true, guys? That's my head was very big. That's why it's not coming down. Oh, poor me. Now it's closed. So are you ready with me? Time to tie it. I didn't tie well. fantastic. So guys, I hope you enjoy, guys. So guys, I hope you listen all of the, I hope you hear all of the instruction, and if you have any question to ask, please let me know down below. It's time for me to try on it. I'm sure it's a little difficult, but I know I will try and learn them. I will make a video for the next one how I do and how I play on it. Bye 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 bye. Let me try. Guys, do you want me to try one? But for me to stand up to see if I can walk or not. Oh! Guys, seriously, do you want me to fall? I fall. Guys, I'm going to try it and see if it will work or not. Wait a minute. 1, 2. Ah! How to stand like this? I'm using this chair. Guys, first I'm going to use this chair and I will fall. Okay, I'm up. And what to do next? Learn to move learn to move. Learn to move. But anyway, this room will be broken if I run here. But only ah. Now I'm sitting. Okay. I just move a little bit the chair, so it seems like I practice in home. Who wanna skate with me? Guys, just only today. Time to stand. Oh guys, I'm scared if anything broken if I stand, but anyway, I'll practice little by little, then it will be okay. So I'm done. What am I going to do now? Okay, how to stand. Now I can practice myself. So this is what I do all day. Standing on a chair and move myself. People will laugh at me. And you also guys, you laugh at me because this is what I do. Practicing this thing. I'm not afraid for falling down. But anyway, I know I will fall down. Now I'm done. Lego. We're going to the back. Guys, time for me to practice, but anyway, it's a little difficult.